Welcome back to Crack the Windows, your one-stop guide for professional Windows fixes and tricks. In one of my previous video, I showed you how to fix rapid battery drain in Windows 11, and many of you asked, how do I read my battery health report? How do I know if my battery is still good or needs replacement? So today, I'll use a Windows 11 battery report generated from my own laptop. We'll analyze it together, line by line, and I'll show you exactly how to check battery health, understand cycle count, and even estimate how long your battery will last. By the end, you'll know if your laptop's battery is still fine, or if it's time to plan for a replacement. To start, open Command Prompt as administrator and type powercfg /battery report. This creates a file called battery report. Open it in your browser, and you'll see a detailed breakdown of your battery's health. Here's the first section from my report. Manufacturer, HP. Chemistry, lithium ion. Design capacity, 51,310 MWh. Full charge capacity, 41,514 MWh. Cycle count, 217. What does this mean? The design capacity is the maximum charge the battery could hold when brand new. The full charge capacity is what it can hold today. Comparing the two tells us the health percentage. So in my case, let's calculate. It's 81% health. That's still considered good. Anything above 80% health means your battery is aging but not critical yet. Below 60%, you should plan for replacement. My report shows a cycle count of 217. One cycle means using 100% of the battery, even if spread across multiple charges. For example, using 50% today and 50% tomorrow equals one full cycle. Most laptop batteries are rated for 300 to 500 cycles, and some premium ones go up to 800 or more. So with just 217 cycles, this battery is about halfway through its comfortable lifespan. Scrolling down, we see the capacity history. When new, the battery always charged to 51,310 MWh. Today, it tops out at 41,514 MWh. This steady drop is normal. What matters is how fast it's falling. If you see sharp declines month to month, that means heavy wear. In my case, the decline is gradual, which is normal for a laptop used daily. Next is the battery life estimate section. At design capacity, my laptop should have lasted 6 hours 11 minutes on average. At today's full charge capacity, it lasts around 5 hours. So I have lost about an hour of battery backup compared to when the laptop was new. This is the most practical number for users because it tells you real usable time. Now let's check recent usage. Looking at September 12th, my battery dropped from 98%, 40,541 MW, to 55%, 22,893 MWh, in less than 2 hours. That's a heavy drain session, likely due to multitasking or background apps. This shows how usage patterns affect battery life. Even a healthy battery drains faster with heavy CPU or display use. So is my battery fine? Let's apply the benchmarks. 81% health equals still good. 217 cycles equals below the danger zone. 5 hours backup equals decent for a business laptop. So verdict is, my battery is healthy and should last another 1 to 2 years with normal use before backup time becomes uncomfortable. With current health, I can expect about 1 year of solid usage before capacity drops closer to 70%. Another year of reduced performance before hitting 60%. So realistically, 1.5 to 2 more years before a replacement becomes necessary. Drop your battery percentage in the comments below. I'd love to compare your results with mine. Here are a few tips that apply after you check your report. Keep charge between 20 to 80% instead of full discharge and recharge. Avoid using the laptop on soft surfaces where it heats up. Heat kills batteries. Use balanced mode for daily use, and switch to battery saver when traveling. Do a full calibration cycle once every 2 to 3 months. Keep drivers and BIOS updated. Many manufacturers optimize charging through updates. If your battery draining very fast after full charge, don't forget to watch my previous video, coming in I button above. If this video helped, hit like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Crack the Windows for more professional Windows tips and troubleshooting guides. See you in the next video.